Hello friends, today's day is really reserved for one beautiful beach scene. We're using this Hitoto watercolors in tubes, and I will use ultramarine for the deeper part of the sea, then this blue lake for the sea and for the sky, and this one Persian blue for water and the sea. Then we're using we have just two greens, the sub green and viridian green in this part of the wood. For the sound we will use yellow ochre and burnt sienna for details, and we also using some magenta for this little shovel plastic, and this painting because here is one little castle and some kid is making this. And first I want to make the sky, and sky we will make with Persian blue, but we will add a lot of water. So I want to make sky first here like that, and then here also, and then I want to make it like this. So we have some little fluffy clouds here all around, and I want to show it like this. So we're making first, and then we're adding just water and make this fluffy clouds more gentle. So we have a deepest color on this part, and all this will be just clouds. So now when this is dry, we will show our mountains in background with in deepest of the sea here with this darker color. So here are the mountains, and here is deep sea here like this. These mountains go like here. Then I want to add a little bit of brown in this because these mountains are like that. This brown then goes also here. And then we will dry this, and then the water with this beautiful Persian blue, and we're leaving few parts of white for the waves, and also on this part of the beach we're also adding a little bit of this blue. Now the trees, I want to show first the trees like with a little with this sap green, and then we will add some details with deeper green, So now I'm adding this darker green. Like that. Now we are trying everything that, and then till this is dried, we will add our sand. I want to show this sand somewhere from here. Much more water. Now I need to remove this part. So this will be like that. This will be RC is here. Little waves. Here will be white also. Now our little shovel. Later we will add the details here. Then the yellow and blue. The little bucket which will be this color here. This part would be yellow. Now I want to also to add yellow on these umbrellas in the distance. And this burnt sienna for these parts here. And then we are adding details around the castle. So we need to show that this is sand, but different color. A little bit darker because it is wet because of castle building. So here it is, just here and there few on the, like this, and then also in this part few. With this burnt sienna. And now I see that I make mistake here. My umbrella's not so yellow anymore. I want to add pink. And then maybe blue, so some purple or something like to show. Now I need more of the darker color of this green, and I will do it like mix with this burnt sienna and raw sienna, and I will add more of the dark spots here and there. to show difference in this wood, difference with shadows. Also here on this hill I want to show that it is a little bit of greenery here also. Now different green. This more light green. Then again this darkest green. And now the details. I want to add details because I don't have a very good white. I will add it with this. And I need tiniest brush I have. So this is one gel pen, but I don't know. It's not working for me. So I will add it with the brush to show the waves. Yeah. And also I need to show this little shadow, some lightness here and there, to show this plasticity of this shadow here, here, and then around this little bucket here also. So guys, what do you think? I think it is very cute. Should we add a little bit more of this burnt sienna? I think it's cute. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!